Hi, my name is Archilla, and I'd like to show you a few tips for getting started with Outlook Live, part of Microsoft Live at EDU. Let's take a look at Search and Filter. Here's Outlook Live. Right above the message pane you can see a search field. If we're looking for something within our inbox, we can use this search field to help us find exactly what we're looking for. There's a double drop-down arrow just to the right here that you can drop down, and you can see how you can actually narrow and refine this search. I'm going to look for the word Washington. I'll type that in the search field. And before I search, I'm going to use the single drop-down arrow here just to define exactly where I want to look for this information. So just in this folder, and the subfolders across the entire mailbox, you can make that decision right from here. I'm just going to search from this folder, and I'm looking for results that are contained within the subject and message body. Go ahead and click the magnifying glass. Let's do a search, and you can see very quickly I have the results there right below it, all of those mails that include the word Washington. I'm going to clear this search and show you another way you can find information in your inbox. Let's just go ahead and collapse up the search field. We'll talk about something called a filter. You'll see it right up here across the top of that search field. A filter, rather than actually searching for something within the inbox, the filter basically allows me to filter out everything but the items that I'm looking for. So I can apply a filter and look for things that were sent to me, that were copied to me, maybe just unread mail. In this case, I'm going to apply a filter where I can try to find all of the messages in my inbox that contain attachments. Let's click Attachments, click Apply, and you'll see now it only shows me those messages that contain attachments. Everything else is still there, it's just hidden from view while I'm applying this filter. Right up here by Filter, you'll see a little icon that's got a little folder and a star on it. This is called a Favorites icon. If you'll click that, you'll have the opportunity to add this filter to your favorites. I'm going to call it Attachments. Go ahead and click OK. And notice on the left-hand side now I have an Attachments folder underneath my favorites. This is essentially a shortcut to this filter. So if I go ahead and clear out the filter, go back to our inbox, if I click on Attachments, I can very easily run that filter again in one click. There's all those filtered messages, and it's there for me as a shortcut the next time that I want to use it. Go back over to our inbox again, and let me show you just a few resources that you might like to take advantage of as you're getting used to Outlook Live. We'll have more screencasts coming up on other areas of the product, but I appreciate your time, and we look forward to seeing you on a future screencast.